Hey you guys, did I scare you? Happy Halloween! I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. Here I am presenting you an amazing, scary yet glamorous look, a cat woman makeup look. Would you like to try the last minute Halloween ready? Let's get started. I'm using Girl Pro.coverage high definition foundation in the shade Nude beige. This is a really nice foundation which gives a really luminous finish. I like to use brush first and then the sponge. For contour, I'm using Wetnwild contouring stick. Using a brush to blend it nicely. Make sure you blend the jawline well or it doesn't look nice. I'm using another brush to contour my nose. I'm using a Revolution setting powder to set my under eye crease. I like to do my eyebrows with the Swiss Beauty pencil. I'm using the eyeshadow. This is the transition shade. It is very important to blend the eyeshadow to give it a smooth finish. I'm using a black shade slowly to cut the crease on my eyes and give that cat eye look. I'm adding the shimmer to my eyes, which I'm using from the same sugar palette. For this I'm using a flat brush so that it can be applied evenly. This is my Holy Grail liner. It's a normal Lakmé insta liner, which I feel is a holy grail for me because it's very easy to apply. I'm going to give it the cat finish look. Using the same transition shade that I applied, adding a highlighter on my cheekbones. Also using a bit black eyeshadow to give that smoky look. Here comes the actual stage of the Catwoman makeup look. I'm using a sugar liner to line my nose. So I'm going to fill it up with Lakmé Insta liner to give that dark black look. So this was a last minute makeup. I was falling short of products, so I had to just manage with whatever I had. I'm drawing a line between my nose and my lips. Just outlining my lips with the same sugar liner. You make sure you use something that is waterproof if you're going for a party. For my lips, I'm using Wetnwild Catsuit, a shimmery lipstick. I'm using a Catsuit shimmery lipstick for my lower lip. Wetnwild. Dabbing it with some shimmer to give the same look like eyes. I almost forgot mascara.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram @Kajale Priyanka. Thank you.